Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by my YouTube page. In today's video, as you can see, I have this beautiful unit and I'll get more into detail about this unit, so keep on watching the video. So let's do a quick unboxing. So as you guys know, this is a unit that came from a new company called Gorgius. So I'm going to do a little quick unboxing for you guys. Inside the box, they do provide you with 2 stocking caps and a little gift bag. Now let's get a little bit more into detail about this unit. So it's the mixed brown highlighted curly bob 1x4 T-part lace wig. It's low maintenance. The length of this unit is 12 inches, is 180% density. The color is 430. This unit does come with 3 combs, elastic band, as well as adjustable straps in the back. Let me just say, when I first took it out the box, it felt so nice and soft. This unit is really pretty to me. I haven't had a color like this or a bob like this in a long time. So stay tuned to the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. And don't forget to stay tuned to the end for my final thoughts on this wig. So if you made it this far to the end of the video, you already know what time it is. It's my final thoughts on this wig. So my final thoughts on this wig is really pretty. When I first took it out the packet, the hair was really nice and soft. I did use my Got To Be Insta Hold as well as my Got To Be gel to put it down, as well as the knot eraser from the Perfect Line Swiss, as you guys can see. And if you guys are interested in this product, I will leave the link down below in my description box. To hide the knots that is in your wig if you don't want to bleach it or anything, or if you don't want to use your foundation. I found this product through a friend on Instagram, so I will have more details down below in my description box for this unit, the exact link, the exact website. But I really feel like this is a good unit. You can easily attach the combs or the elastic band that's in the back, adjust the straps. I did use this Shine Jam Magic Fingers setting mousse. The curls pop a little bit more. As you can see, the hair and the curl pattern is still there. The color is really pretty. It was easy for me to install. If you ladies are the ones that just love the pop wigs on and want to do too much to it, this unit will be the one for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page. And thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. Talk to you soon in my next video. Bye.